So today we are going to talk about online banking, online paying our prepaid card or our credit card, debit card, MasterCard. I don't know what card you are using, but that is what we are going to talk about it. How do you check? How often do you check on your banking alert? That who is monitoring you, who is trying to harm you or to steal you. That's what we are going to talk about. If it's interested to you, grab your seat and sit down and let's talk.
Life is simple, oh. Take it easy, oh. You live today, tomorrow you are no more.
Hello family, you are highly welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anastasia Patience. I am a guide to wellness and emotional well-being. If you want to learn more about practical and effective way to find peace and balance in life, or if you just want to expand your knowledge, then you are the right place. Hit the subscriber button and the notification bell so you never miss any of your future videos ever again. Today I will say, if I've hurt you, forgive me. I don't know, for some reason I has been absent in YouTube, but a few people check on me. A few people does not, but it doesn't matter. All fingers are not the same. So the only thing I can say that thank God that I am back. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. With the YouTube life, it's not easy. Working, kids, family issues, taking care of sick people. At the same time, it's not easy, but thanks God, life keep on going. Family, today I just want you to draw our attention to something that actually I may say that many people never pay attention to. Okay, first of all, I apologize for being long time in uploading YouTube video. I've been going through a lot, but thanks God, life keep on going. Okay, so I want to ask you people, have you ever noticed about this online membership or YouTube membership? Not only your YouTube membership, about credit card. Did you ever face this kind of problem? Maybe you might not be noticing this. Okay, so I want to drop many people attention to this specific topic because it has happened to me about 2 months ago, maybe more than 2 months ago, but because it has been a long time for me to upload a video, I'll just put it, let's say, about 2 months. Okay, so I have subscribed to 2 3 channels that I have membership with them. Okay, and for some reason I couldn't my membership has expired and my credit card my prepaid card actually was not able to be charged, okay, during some reason. So actually I also sometimes does money transfer. So it happened that one night around evening time I transferred 200 euro on my prepaid card to do a transaction for someone, okay, money mobile money transfer to somebody. So I was on that time I was using my other device to do the transaction, okay. So because I have about 2 3 device that I use, and I also have specific number for my card, and I have my normal mobile number. So I have about 2 3 numbers that I use for some reason, specific things that I does. Okay, so in this way, whenever I transfer money onto anywhere or any card, I used to receive a mobile alert from other number on my other phone. So this happened that at that very moment, I was sitting down on my office and I transferred the 200 euro onto my prepaid account, okay? Within that time, I were able, thanks God, the lucky I was that I were able to do the transaction. Just after I do the transaction, I keep receiving unexpected messages, alert. I receive about 6 times alert on my other phone, on my this other phone. Okay, so the first one came like this company, it was an app. I don't know exactly where. I don't, because I never even noticed about that, and I never place anything, I never buy anything from that. Is it a shop or whatever it is? And I receive an alert from my bank that that company or that shop was trying to withdraw 149 euro from my account, from my card. Okay, but the good thing was that very moment I transferred 200 euro onto the card, but I managed to do the transaction, you see, before that message was coming. So they tried 149 euro, and they couldn't, because there was not enough money on the card, because I did the transaction already. And then less than a second, another message came. They tried to withdraw 69 euros, and then within a second another 50 euro. Within a second they tried 40 euros. So I mean, it's like continuously they were trying my card to withdraw a certain amount, which I had no idea about that, you see. So the good thing was that I have the specific number that was connected to the card. So although I was using another device, the message was coming through another device at that moment. So I was using 3 devices at that very moment, you see. So if it was something that I had only that number, my normal number that I was using to do the transaction, if it was the same one, I don't know what could have happened. I would not notice. I would have concentrate on the transaction, finish the transaction before I check the message. But thanks God, because I had another device with a different number that is connected to the card, although I was doing the transaction on another device, I was still receiving another message concerning my card on on a different device, you see. That was what the lucky I was, you see. So they tried about 6 times and they couldn't get any money from the card because I did the transaction already, you see. That was the lucky that I was. So I just want to advise everybody that you people, whoever have online prepaid or membership, try to have extra number just to connect it to your account, so at least if anything going on, if you are busy on the other phone, at least you will be lucky or to receive mobile alert or banking alert or online alert from your other device, you see. That was the lucky. And then immediately the lucky part also is that immediately the bank called me and telling me that my card has been blocked immediately, because the bank noticed that I'm not the person who is, because they try keep on, but you know what happened? Since they keep on trying for 6 good times, they managed to get me. They withdraw 4 euro something, about almost 5 euro from the card, and they keep on trying, and then they withdraw also 1 cent, and then another 2 cents. So I mean, they tried for 6 good times, huge amount, but they were able to get almost 5 euros. They got it, and then 1 cent they got it, and then 2 cents. You see, 2 cents they got 2 cents. So they tried they got 2 cents. So they tried their best, but unfortunately, because transaction, they were not able to catch me or to withdraw amounts that they were trying. So please, my fellow YouTubers, you that you have membership subscription, please pay more attention to your banking statement or your credit cards, and also try your best to have a second or a spare number connected to your banking system or your credit card, your prepaid card, your account, whatever it is, try to use a spare number or a second mobile number, which maybe you might not be a victim. Yeah, you might not be a victim. So I thank you so much for being here, listening to me. I just want to create awareness for other people. So just because of that, I stopped this membership for the moment to see what will happen, because I don't know exactly where this is coming from. I'm not the type of person that I click on every website or whatever it is, but what happened was and within less than 3 months, my 2 card was blocked because people were trying to steal money from my account or my card. And thanks God, because I had, as I said, a different number connected, they were able, the bank were able to catch me online or to call me immediately and notify me that, Mrs. Patience, this is what is happening, so we have blocked your card, so talk to your branch. And I did that, and thanks God I got a new card back. So it wasn't easy for me because it was continuously. So you never know who is monitoring you. You never know who want to harm you. You don't know who want to steal you. I don't even have money that amount in my account, so I don't know. But unfortunately, because there's sometimes transaction. So family, if you like this video, okay, I said a big thank you for having time with me. If you like this video, share it, okay? Leave your thought and your opinion if it happened for you, if it happened to you before or not.
You watching Patience TV. Big TV. Patience. Move mountains.